Hey, listen guys, I know that every realtor starts off every video with how much of an incredible, unique opportunity that everything is, and I've been found guilty of this too. But I promise you, this one is different because today we're going to be covering Spirit of Sebastian, which is literally going to be Indian River County's first Agrihood community. So if you know what that is, then you're in luck. But if you didn't, like me, then you're going to be learning a lot in this video because I had to do some research to figure out what it was. So let's go ahead and dive straight into it. I am super excited to get started. Alrighty guys, so let's briefly touch on what we're going to be covering in today's video. First, we need to get inside the two beautiful model homes by Holiday Builders. The first one will be the Biscayne Spirit, which will be one of the larger 2-car garage options in the neighborhood. But then we step it up with a 3-car garage model, the Sanibel Spirit, right afterwards. So when we're wrapped up with the tours, I'll briefly touch on other floor plans that you can build and what starting prices of those homes will be as well. Next up, we will talk location and why this is seriously one of the most prime locations in Sebastian that is biking distance to just about every amenity that you could possibly need, such as the boat ramps, the parks right next to the river, grocery stores, and restaurants on the river, like where I am right now. And last but not least, we're going to be going over the HOA fees and what they cover. This will be where we learn more about what an Agrihood is and all of the incredible things that you will get with it. So let's not waste any more time and go ahead and check out the Biscayne Spirit. All right, so the Biscayne Spirit is an incredible floor plan with a lot to offer. Coming in with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, standing at 1,937 square feet, has a 2-car garage, and an incredible starting price of only $418,990. How could you possibly go wrong with this one? So this one checks a ton of boxes with its sheer size, larger bedrooms, huge primary bedroom, and a ton more that you're going to be seeing shortly throughout this tour. So go ahead, kick back, enjoy the music, and I'll see you outside. Alrighty guys, so if you like that style but just wish I had a 3-car garage with a little more space, then this next one is for you. This is the Sanibel Spirit, and there's really not much that I can say that you can't see for yourself. So let's just go ahead and check it on out. Alrighty guys, so now Holiday is pulling out all the stops with this home, coming in hot with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, and 2,381 square feet of living space. They did not come out to mess around this time. This home is also listed with the incredibly low starting price of $448,990. So guys, there's a lot to see here, so please enjoy the music, take it all in, and I'll see you outside when we're all wrapped up. Hey guys, just a quick interruption here. I cannot thank you enough for finding my channel and continuing to support the channel by watching these videos. I did want to remind you that I am a realtor here on the Florida East Coast, so if you wanted us to represent you for your relocation to this part of beautiful Florida, please feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send me an email because we'll get right back to you right away with all the information that you need. We're also looking forward to meeting you and helping you make your Florida dreams come true. And also one more quick favor, and I promise to get back to the video. If you could please just hit that like button and subscribe if you find this content helpful, I'd really appreciate it. You are all so awesome, and I promise to return the favor if we ever end up working together. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump back into the video and briefly go over the other options that Spirit of Sebastian is building here. Alrighty, so if you like the sound of everything so far, but just didn't see the right house for you, then this section is for you. First up, starting with the smallest option, is the Crescent Spirit, coming in at 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, and 1,296 square feet of living space, and has a starting price of $386,990. Second smallest home that they have is the Beverly Spirit, with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, and 1,315 square feet of living space, with a starting price of $380,990. So yes, that means that the Beverly Spirit is a larger home, but has a lower starting price than the Crescent Spirit. Okay, next up we have the Jupiter Spirit, with again 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, and 1,477 square feet of living space, and has a starting price of $388,990. Next up, we have the Dania Spirit, with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, with 1,663 square feet of living space, and a starting price of $399,990. And last but certainly not least, we have the Jensen Spirit, with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, 2,118 square feet of living space, with a starting price of $423,990. Hey guys, really quick, I just wanted to put this in the video. I was just speaking with the sales rep, and things that I didn't really nail down before preparing for this video, I just learned. So with Holiday Builders here, you're going to get all impact windows. The impact windows are going to help with sound insulation, as well as insurance and hurricane protection and that sort of thing as well. So if you plan on living here seasonally, that is an awesome feature to have, because you've got these impact windows that will not need shutters to be put up in the event of a storm coming in if you are not living here during the heat of the summer. I learned that it's also a natural gas community, so you're going to have a tankless water heater. Insane little feature there to have, which I think makes all the difference in the world. So that means your stove, possibly your dryer. We know for a fact your hot water heater is going to be tankless and using gas. So that is an incredible feature to be mentioned as well. Alrighty guys, now it's time to dive into one of the best parts about Spirit of Sebastian, the location. So now, most new construction neighborhoods have to go ahead and build far out in inconvenient areas because the best locations have already been built on. But that's not the case here. At Spirit of Sebastian, you are nearby all of Sebastian's amenities, and you can literally ride your bike to the beautiful Riverview Park every morning if you wanted to, and spend some time there under the oak trees with a view of the Indian River Lagoon. It's also biking distance to things nearby, the park as well, such as like Captain Hires, where I am now, Tiki Bar, Mulligan's Beach House, and other things too. Coffee shops, different breweries, and a lot more are there as well. So for grocery stores, you also have Publix, Winn-Dixie, and Walmart. It's only a 7-minute drive away. And now I personally shop at Walmart because I recently discovered about a year ago how awesome being a Walmart Plus member is. And for a little over $100, you get free grocery deliveries to your house, which really helps saves us some time, and we hardly ever have issues with it. And now for you beachgoers out there, you'd be happy to know that Wabasso Beach, with the amazing Wabasso Beach Bites Cafe, is only a 12-minute drive away. So feel free to cruise over there on the bridge, grab a delicious sandwich or wrap, and spend a day out under the sun, and all under a 15-minute drive. And it doesn't get much better than that, guys. Alrighty, so now for those of you who don't know what an Agrihood is, let's go over a quick lesson. An Agrihood is a residential community that integrates agriculture into its very design. So instead of being built around a golf course or a park, these neighborhoods center around a working farm. Residents get to enjoy fresh, locally grown produce right inside of their own community. And living in an Agrihood means that you have access to farm-to-table living, often with opportunities to participate in the farming process. It's a great way to connect with nature, support sustainable practices, and also foster a sense of community with your neighbors. These neighborhoods usually include community gardens, farmers markets, and even educational programs on sustainable farming. And it's also an ideal setup setup for those of you who value some healthy living, environmental stewardship, and a strong sense of community. So guys, if you are looking for a lifestyle that is green, sustainable, and community focused, an Agrihood might just be the perfect fit for you, and Spirit of Sebastian fits the bill perfectly. So let's go ahead and break down the costs and what you get for it. So first of all, the HOA fees here are only $157.69 a month, and what you get for it, honestly, definitely blows my mind. So first and foremost, you have lawn care provided, which includes fertilizer and landscape maintenance. I personally pay $140 in addition to my HOA fees for that. You also get lawn pest control, and the fee covers administrative and management fees for the neighborhood as well. But wait guys, that is not all. I haven't gotten to the best part yet. The fee also includes heritage park amenities, which will include a 4,500 square foot community center being built right behind me with activity and game rooms, restrooms, a library, 600 square foot patio, a community fire pit, and an event lawn suitable for just about any party that you can think of. In addition to the clubhouse, they'll also have 4 lighted pickleball courts, and here's where the Agrihood comes in: raised planter beds for vegetables and 450 linear feet of fruit trees. So guys, if this neighborhood caught your eye, or you're interested in any home up and down the Florida East Coast, please don't hesitate to reach out. All of my contact information is going to be right here below, and we'd love to work with you. And until next time guys, thank you so much.